Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to unbox the uCozy neck and shoulder massager. So basically what we have in the whole package is a car adapter, and adapter, and the uCozy neck and shoulder massager, plus a operation manual. So these are what we found in the entire package. Okay, so basically we'll see how it will. We do not need the car adapter unless you are using it in a car. So we will need to charge the neck and shoulder massager with this adapter. So when we flip at the back, we will find a jet. Just insert the jet. And that's how we are able to use it. Thank you for watching.